Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Friends, in this video, we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A14, which is a new smartphone from Samsung and recently has been launched. Friends, Samsung Galaxy A series is basically designed for those users who wants to see flagship features in a mid-range smartphone. And today we will talk about the design, specifications and features of Samsung Galaxy A14 in detail. So, guys, if you are new on this channel, then immediately subscribe it to see such latest news or updates. Without waiting, let's start this video. If we talk about the design of Galaxy A14 then, on its right side, the side-mounted fingerprint sensor and the volume rockers can be seen. And on left side, nano SIM tray is given. On the bottom, headphone jack, microphone, USB Type-C port and stereo speakers can be seen. And on the top, noise cancellation microphone is given. The back panel comes with stylish and texture design which gives it a premium look. On the back of phone, there is a triple camera setup is given in which 3 cameras are vertically passed in the top left, which makes it unique and beautiful. And dual LED flash can also be seen. The branding of Samsung is also given on bottom. If we look overall design, then this phone is designed very well. If we talk about the body dimensions then, its height is 167.7 mm, 78 mm width and thickness of 9.1 mm is given. The screen-to-body ratio is 87.2%, which is a good ratio. And its weight is 202 grams. If we talk about the body material then, the protection of Gorilla Glass is given on the front, which protects the screen from scratches. And the back panel and frame of the phone is made of plastic. After that we talk about display. It comes with Full HD plus PLS LCD display of 6.6 inch. PLS is a premium display feature that provides a high-quality viewing experience. And at the same time, a higher refresh rate of 90 Hz is given. Within this refresh rate you can play games up to 90 frames per second. And its screen resolution is 1080 by 2408 pixels. And 400 ppi density is also given, which is almost similar to other smartphones of this segment. If I talk about the operating system of Galaxy A14, it uses the latest Android 13 OS. Within this you will also get 2 years Android update. And the layer of One UI Core 5 has been used on it, which is a better user interface. If we talk about its chipset power then, the Galaxy A14 in US comes with MediaTek Dimensity 707 nanometers. This chipset is basically designed for mid-range smartphones. And the same chipset is used in Galaxy A13. While in the Europe and other countries, Samsung Galaxy A14 will comes with the new chipset of Exynos 1330. If we talk about its benchmark score then, total benchmark score of Galaxy A14 is 3,69,885. An octa-core CPU has been used, in which 2 CPUs of 2.2 GHz and 6 CPUs of 2.0 GHz can be seen, which makes its performance better. And Mali G57MC2 GPU support is given, which display good graphics for games and videos. If we talk about cameras, it has a 50 megapixel main sensor with a wide aperture of f1.8. And it has feature of phase detection autofocus. The PDF feature helps to capture clear images by focusing on moving objects. And the second 2 megapixel macro sensor with f2.4 aperture. Third one is depth sensor of 2 megapixels given to take clear pictures of small objects with f2.4 aperture. And you can record maximum video of 1080 pixels at 30 fps from the main camera. You can also get clear images and video clips from this video. And a 13 megapixel selfie camera with an aperture of f2.0 is given. It does provide very detailed, but you can capture good selfies from it. In terms of memory, you will get dynamic RAM of LPDDR4X 4GB and 16GB. It comes with 3 variants. First variant 4GB plus 64GB, second variant 4GB plus 128GB, third variant 6GB plus 128GB, internal storage. And the facility of dedicated card slot is also given, and you can expand memory from it. If we talk about sound quality, then stereo speakers and headphone jack is given. Let's talk about connectivity. It supports 5G, 5th generation network technology, Wi-Fi 802 and Bluetooth 5.2. If we talk about battery department, then it comes with massive and non-removable battery of lithium-ion polymer 5000 mAh. And fast charger of 15 watt is given, which quickly charge your phone, and it is enough for our daily usage. If we see its colors, then it is available in popular colors options like black, light green, dark red and silver. If we talk about the price of Galaxy A14, then its current market price is $200 US, 270 Canadian dollars, 180 euros, 23,000 Indian rupees, 49,000 Pakistani rupees, and 20,000 Bangladeshi taka. So friends, if we look overall features or specification of Galaxy A14, it comes with 50 megapixel camera, Full HD display with 90 Hz refresh rate and Dimensity 700 chipset. And it provide 5G connectivity for good performance in an affordable price. So, friends, what is your opinion about Galaxy A14? Tell me in comment section. To see such nice and informative video, please subscribe our channel and also click on the bell icon for latest. Goodbye and take care.